Unveiling the mystery, understanding family secret. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase in the English language, family secret. This phrase is rich in meaning and usage, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English skills. So, let's unravel the mystery together. Family secret refers to information that is known only within a family and not shared with outsiders. It's often something private, sensitive, or potentially embarrassing. Understanding this phrase helps in comprehending family dynamics in English literature and movies. To better grasp the concept, let's look at some examples. The recipe for Grandma's famous pie is a family secret. Nobody outside the family knew about their family secret. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used in everyday conversations. In many cultures, family secrets are treated with great respect. They can include recipes, traditions, or even past events that families prefer to keep private. Understanding this can give you insight into cultural aspects of English-speaking countries. It's important to use family secret sensitively. It's not just a phrase but often involves emotions and privacy. Be mindful when discussing topics that might be a family's private matter. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, family secret. It's a window into the intimate world of families and adds depth to your understanding of English. Thanks for watching, and remember, some secrets are worth keeping.